Hello and welcome back to Dove Facts channel. Today we're embarking on a journey into the world of mackerel, a fish that not only delights the palate but also nourishes the body and soul. Join us as we explore the myriad health benefits of mackerel, savor some of the best dishes it has to offer, and reflect on the importance of sharing meals with loved ones. Mackerel isn't just a tasty catch, it's a nutritional treasure trove. Let's delve into the remarkable health benefits it brings to the table. Rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. Mackerel is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are essential for heart health and cognitive function. Supports heart health. The omega-3s in mackerel help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Boosts brain function. Thanks to its omega-3 content, mackerel supports brain health, improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Enhances eye health. Mackerel is rich in vitamin A and omega-3s, which promote eye health, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Strengthens bones. Mackerel is a good source of vitamin D and calcium, essential nutrients for bone health and strength. Promotes skin health. The omega-3 fatty acids in mackerel help maintain skin elasticity, hydration, and overall health, reducing inflammation and the risk of skin conditions like eczema and acne. Regulates blood sugar levels. Mackerel's protein and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Supports weight management. Mackerel's high protein content and healthy fats promote satiety, helping control appetite and manage weight. Boosts immune system. Mackerel is rich in selenium and vitamin D, nutrients that support immune function and help protect against infections and diseases. Fights inflammation. The omega-3 fatty acids in mackerel have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing inflammation in the body and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Now that we've uncovered the health benefits, let's tantalize our taste buds with some mouth-watering mackerel creations. Grilled mackerel with lemon and herbs, a simple yet flavorful dish that showcases the natural richness of mackerel, enhanced by the brightness of lemon and the aroma of fresh herbs. Mackerel sushi rolls, a creative twist on traditional sushi. These rolls feature tender mackerel slices nestled within a bed of seasoned rice and wrapped in nori seaweed. Smoked mackerel pâté. Creamy and decadent, this pâté combines smoked mackerel with cream cheese, herbs, and a hint of lemon for a luxurious appetizer or spread. Mackerel pasta with tomato sauce. A hearty and satisfying dish that pairs the robust flavor of mackerel with tangy tomato sauce and al dente pasta, creating a perfect harmony of textures and tastes. Mackerel salad with avocado and citrus dressing. A refreshing salad bursting with vibrant colors and flavors, featuring tender mackerel flakes, creamy avocado slices, and a zesty citrus dressing. Beyond the food itself, there's something truly special about sharing a meal with loved ones. Strengthens bonds and relationships. Sharing a meal fosters a sense of connection and intimacy, strengthening relationships and creating lasting memories. Promotes communication and connection. Mealtime provides an opportunity for meaningful conversations and shared experiences, promoting communication and deepening bonds. Provides emotional support. Sharing meals with loved ones can be a source of comfort and support during challenging times, fostering a sense of belonging and security. Encourages healthy eating habits. Eating together encourages healthier food choices and portion control, as well as promoting mindfulness and appreciation for nourishing foods. Creates lasting memories. Some of life's most cherished moments are made around the dinner table, where laughter, love, and good food abound. As we savor the flavors of mackerel and cherish the company of our loved ones, let's remember the importance of moderation in all things. By embracing a balanced and healthy lifestyle, we can nourish our bodies, minds, and relationships for years to come. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, may your plates be full, your hearts be light, and your meals be shared with love.